Hello everyone, this is Rachel from QH Technology. This is the battery we just built up. It's a 12 voltage 271 Ah battery. Its composed method is 4 series and 1 parallel. Parameters: dimension 72, 174, 205 military. Weight 24.7 kg. Charging current 271 amp. Discharging current 271 amp. Working temperature 20°C to 60°C. Cycle life 5000. Guarantee 3 years. Install signal acquisition wires in sequence. Cut the signal line to an appropriate length. Soldering signal lines with lead-free solder. Connect the positive and negative power line with connecting pieces. Connect power line. Connect the B- of BMS to the negative of the battery pack. Put battery pack into shell and fill EVA condom. Secure BMS with thermally conductive type. Check the signal lines in correct order. Wrong sequence may cause BMS to burn out. Install positive and negative power lines to the cap. Plug signal acquisition wire ports into interface. Fix the temperature measuring probe near the battery pack. Fill EVA condom. Test voltage of the battery pack. Charging test. Discharging test. Through the Bluetooth, you can check each battery cell's voltage and the whole battery pack's voltage, temperature, SOC, and more information on the app. We also produce 12 voltage batteries of different capacity includes 30 Ah, 50 Ah, 85 Ah, 100 Ah, 150 Ah, 200 Ah, and 300 Ah. We can OEM and ODM different sizes and different discharge current, and we also have Bluetooth function and automatic heating function in different applications. Solar wind power system, community and family backup system, telecom base, UPS, medical instrument, etc. All the products will do the aging test to ensure that there are no potential defects. We have multiple protections in packaging to ensure that the products will not be damaged during transportation. All high-quality products will be stored in a warehouse with proper temperature and light, waiting to be delivered to you. We already have several branch offices in many countries, and we're finding big distributors all over the world. For more information, please search our website.